Welcome to Tuesday's Tips from So Very Easy. My name is Laura, and because I wear these, I have a lot of these. So let's find some reuses for these. I prefer the hard-covered cases versus the soft cases. They protect my glasses and my sunglasses and my purse, and they're also very usable. And I find lots of things to put in these cases. A great thing if you have children would be crayons. It protects those crayons from being broken. If you have small rotary cutters, they will often fit inside. To travel, I do like to have a little bit of hand sewing, and this just protects my pins from not sticking through a soft container. They're also handy for your good little snips. You can make a customized pin cushion to go inside, and your scissors and thimbles can be kept safe, and it looks nice. We can also carry cosmetics and jewelry. First aid kits. These big domed cases also make great pin cushions. Regardless if we're traveling or just in our own sewing room, we can stick those pins in, and because that dome is big enough, it covers them. So if this tumbles anywhere, the pins stay protected. Paper and pens. Manicure sets. In some cases are so nice, they fit entire little sewing kits. And this is a great way to store things beside your favorite sewing chair. It looks nice and it keeps everything clean. So from sewing kits to first aid kits, there's a lot we can store in our old eyeglass containers. And the ones that are nice and high definitely are great spots to hold our pins so that our pins are always safe. I'd love to know if you reuse your cases, and if so, what do you put in them? Thank you for joining me today on So Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe, and as always, come on back. Let's see what we're talking about next time in the sewing room. Bye for now.